Hi, I'm Buck Fishes, where I don't catch the fish, and the fish catch me.
And I'm in City Outdoors. Today, me and Vizna did a little something different. We jigged with an ultralight setup. This is not your standard setup for jigging. You want something with more backbone. As you can see, that doesn't exist on this rod. This is primarily for panfish, but we decided why not do a challenge. Yeah, we'll see how it goes.
All right, let's hopefully we can catch one each. So maybe if we do this, we'll show you some footage. All right, guys? Until then.
Guys, Vizna's using an ultralight right now. We did this as a challenge. This is not your typical setup for jigging, but why not have some fun?
I don't know what it is.
Is the drag okay?
Yeah.
Sound like a seatbelt.
When I felt that time, oh. When I felt that time, I had to set the hook real good.
Tougher with the ultralight, eh?
Yeah. You gotta be careful because it's mono too. So you gotta take your time.
There's more stretch in it. So
Yeah, I can feel it. I can really feel the stretch. I don't want it to snap because I want to be able to get it in. Okay, there, I got some line. It's taking some back out. Holy cow, sorry brother.
No, it's all good, bro. Take your time.
Oh, the boil hit the top.
See how fun it is with that? Oh, he's coming in upside down. Oh, you didn't like the net. Gotta get him up.
I'm sorry, bro.
Nice! You did it!
Cool, thank you, bro.
You did it. That was the ultralight challenge, folks.
There you go.
It's a Quantum M8. IM8.
Nice. Thank you, bro.
Thank you, bro. You completed my challenge. Cool.
Awesome.
Guys, I just completed the challenge myself.
That's awesome. You got it with the ultralight, brother.
With the ultralight.
Yeah, like we bring it down here and smash it with this still. It doesn't matter what weapon we use. Oh, that's peeling. 6 pound mono. That's awesome. You're pretty much fishing with the perch rod, crappie rod.
It is.
Yeah.
It is a perch crappie rod.
That's what I'm saying. I got the exact same thing. Well, not the exact same rod, but I got an ultralight also.
The hook set is 10 times harder. Feeling it, you have to focus more. It's just...
It's awesome. That's a great feeling. Let's check out some of this water action here. See if it surfaces anywhere. You can see like the current in the water there. It's like an eddy. Nice beautiful boats on the river for a moment until you get some fish in. Might be a bit.
Yeah, it's gonna be a while.
We can watch some rod bending.
Hit hard. Boom.
Boom.
Hit hard.
Yeah, he hit hard. Boom. Oh, we're getting close. Here we go.
Getting close.
That's a good fight. Boom. There we
They
go.
get more tired out on the lighter side. You're not bringing them in as quick.
Oh, sorry, sir. There you go. We got it. We got it. Nice catch, AM. On the ultralight.
We both completed the ultralight challenge.
Here, let's look at this rod again. We'll show them a second time. It's the exact same rod. The quantum.
Very flimsy.
Not so flimsy.
Barely feel the jig hit the bottom.
Yeah, exact same rod.
It's not your textbook jigging rod. It's fun.
Well, guys, that was the ultralight challenge right there. If you guys like this channel right here and like that video, please like and subscribe below. Also, check out my buddy Aham here with Wind City Outdoors. Also like and subscribe to his videos also. Look at all these things. Whoa! Here goes another one right there. There it is.
Look, they're still letting out trails.
Yeah. He's gonna let out another for sure.
Yeah. Here it comes.
Oh, that's a different plane. Look at that. It's got something on the side of it. What is that? One side. This is crazy. Oh, that's a back. Okay.